What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best budget backpacking ponchos in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started with the top 5 picks. Number 1. SaphiRose Rain Poncho with Pockets. We have another popular option from the SaphiRose company. The main difference here is that it's not a one-time use poncho, but instead was built to last. This rain jacket comes in a wide variety of colors, from navy and white polka dots to floral prints and dual tones. Especially where the ladies are concerned, there are some fun and funky designs. Solid options are also available if you prefer something more understated, all unisex in size. You won't have to worry about packing a wet poncho, as this is a quick drying one. It's made from 100% polyester in its construction, so you can have peace of mind that it's both breathable and waterproof. Made from New Englander polyurethane, this bad boy is 100% waterproof. People have tested it in raging thunderstorms of various types and came away dry as a bone. The heat-sealed seams offer additional protection all around, and an elastic-lined hood with cinch cords at the neck will help it remain snug and in place. It compresses down to approximately 9.8 inches by 8 inches, which shouldn't take up too much room in your pack. The included matching pouch makes storage a breeze. Number 2. Frogg Toggs Ultralight 2. If you're looking for a lightweight, environmentally friendly option, then the Frogg Toggs Ultralight 2 waterproof breathable poncho could be your best bet. It weighs a mere 9 ounces and the company constructed it from recyclable, non-woven polypropylene that's entirely waterproof. This one-size-fits-all poncho is suitable for anyone up to 5 feet, 8 inches tall. Are you on the taller side? It could still fit, but don't expect it to guard your knees against any rainfall. The side snaps make it breathable and they're bi-laminated to offer thorough protection from any water. There are snaps down the sides to adjust the fit as well as airflow, and there are toggles on the hood to tighten it when the wind or rain picks up. Frogg Toggs Ultra-Light Poncho customer reviews state that it performs very well in humid conditions where waterproof jackets and pants are too hot. It can be used as an emergency rainfly if needs be. But if that is your intended use, I would opt for something more durable. Drawstrings and cord locks helps the adjustable hood fit properly when the winds come around. You'll appreciate this when you're caught in a storm and have other things to deal with, aside from your hood flying off. It comes with a recyclable storage bag and you have multiple colors to choose from, including dark green, black and blue. Number 3. 4U Cycling Lightweight Rain Poncho. The 4U Cycling Lightweight Rain Poncho is designed for cyclists and is on the border of raincoat and poncho, but because it is so easy to get on and off, we decided to include it. The 4U Cycling Poncho has an extra long tail so that when you are cycling and leaning forward, your back isn't exposed. This extra cover works well for hikers who can fit a small pack underneath to keep both you and your gear dry, as well as fishermen who use the tail as a seat to perch on. It is super lightweight when compared with waterproof jackets and packs down super small, so you can take it with you even if there's a slim chance of rain. Unlike many of the best waterproof ponchos, this one doesn't have open sides, so it cannot be used as a shelter, but on the plus side, it does have a handy front pocket. It has a 1/4 length zip and adjustable tie hood. And obviously, the sleeves are just like any jacket. The material is durable and rainproof, but the seams are not sealed, so we expect a bit of leakage down the sides in heavy rain, although it doesn't seem to be an issue. The biggest downside to this rain poncho is the lack of ventilation and the fact that it is very easy to overheat even if just wearing a t-shirt underneath. If you carry a big backpack or are doing any kind of serious mountain hiking, then a larger and more ventilated rain poncho would be recommended, but for casual hikes, it really keeps you dry. Number 4. Foxelli Hooded Rain Poncho. This well-known brand brings us a stylish poncho if we ever saw one. It comes in a variety of designs including this captivating outer space collection. In our opinion, it's about as stylish as these units come. This poncho is made from 210T high-density polyester fabric with a waterproof coating that consists of a 3000 mm polyurethane material. This makes it able to withstand rough conditions and it should be tear-resistant to boot. If you're going to be in densely wooded areas, it's something you'll want to consider. The Velcro fasteners on the sides ensure that you remain dry and comfortable, while you can also open them for airflow, if needed. There are drawstrings around the neck for adjustability and a visor on the hood offering better visibility in the rain. Foxelli didn't make this poncho for looks only. The company had hikers in mind, as well. There's room along the backside to cover a large backpack, 50L, without affecting your movement. 4 steel grommets adorn this poncho, which means you can use it for sunshade or as a ground cover, for example. It measures 95 inches long and 55 inches wide, providing plenty of coverage for most adults. When packed into the carry case, this poncho compresses down to a mere 9 inches by 3.5 inches. This ensures easy packing, regardless of your bag size. Number 5. Sea to Summit. Ultra-SIL Nano Tarp Poncho. Some ponchos are waterproof, some are lightweight, and some others are high quality. This one is all three. Let's start with the weight. Packed. This poncho only weighs 8 ounces, which is pretty good. The packed size is 3 feet by 5.25 inches, so even the most economical hikers can find a way to fit it in their backpack. Of course, it goes without mention that it's 100% waterproof. That's thanks to its 5D Ultra-SIL Nano fabric, which is both light and durable. However, for me, the most amazing feature of this poncho is easily its versatility. Sure, it's a hooded rain poncho, and a damn good one at that. But it can also serve as a 2-person shelter, 57 inches by 104 inches. This gives you plenty of options and allows you to pack more efficiently if you're a seasoned hiker. It has also some good things. Completely waterproof thanks to its 15D Ultra-SIL Nano fabric. Lightweight, it weighs only 8 ounces. When packed, can easily be converted into a 2-person shelter, epic for emergencies. Great ventilation, so you can avoid sweating like a turkey in November. Lastly, if you enjoy this video, then like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.